Okay, so I want you to pay attention because this is a secret hack. If you have previous conversations in ChatGPT, they might be set for GPT-4. What you want to do is go back. If these are important conversations, you go back, you change it to 4.0, which I've done here. You got to be a plus user for this. And then I said, hey, review this whole conversation and let me know what pieces of information I'm repeating that would be candidates for committing to your memory store, because 4.0 opens up memory. So you can see it identified the information from here. It pulled out the high level context, energy acres, focusing on developing integrated food and data centers. It pulled out that high level and committed it to memory because, and I can even manage it from here, because I said use this whole conversation. So you may have important conversations you don't have to copy and paste and move stuff around. So what you want to do something like this. Come up with your simple prompt so it scans that conversation that you're having, and then you can just go in, drop it, go in, drop it. You are welcome.